Well, this is the newest addition to my lineup. It's a Snapper 2000 GX. It's, as far as I know, pretty much stock except for, I know this is not the original deck, and I'm not sure the electric clutch seems like it's just a little too shiny, a little too nice to be original to the tractor. I bought this machine for $200. I had an online ad at a website, at just a website message board. I was offering to pay $200 for any sort of machine like this, running or not. And when I got this, the guy didn't know if it ran because he couldn't get it started. He thought it had some issues. I brought it home. It had a lot of oil around it. Pretty oily, pretty greasy. I got it running fairly easily. It does seem to leak a little bit out of the oil filler cap for some reason. I'm trying to fix that for my next go around here. It has the Kohler 18 horse engine in it, and it has 404.5 hours on it. I have a Snapper 2000 GX, another one. That's my main mower. This is going to probably end up being a parts machine, and I also have thoughts of someday creating a pull type mower to pull behind my existing lawnmower, my other one, and so that way I would have almost an 8-foot cut. We might as well start this one up and listen to it. It's a pretty good runner. I don't think it sounds perfect, but it doesn't sound too bad either. I also have a 16 horse Vanguard that could get used. I think this will end up getting dismantled. I'll be using some parts for the pull type mower. Like I said, the rest will just go into my spare parts pile, and that will keep my good one running. That's all for now. I'm doing a little work on my real mower, my main mower. When that is done, I hope to show you something very neat right off at the end of the electric clutch. Think cooling, all you Snapper guys, with this type of mower, because as you guys all know, this engine compartment gets hot. Thanks for watching.